Today, we are collecting like terms. That means we only combine terms that are exactly the same letters, same powers. Let's start with level 1. A plus A 6 times will be 6A. Y plus Y plus Y plus Y minus Y minus Y means for Y minus 2Y, it gives us 2Y. Next question. 9K plus 5K equals 14K. 10Y plus 3Y minus 5Y equals 8Y. 7Y minus 2Y plus 1Y would be 6Y. Next one is a tricky question. We have C squared. So the same letter, the same power. But again, C squared add together 5 times will be 5C squared. As added together 3 times will be 3S. P plus P minus P minus P actually is 2P minus 2P, which is 0. 7M plus 1M is 8M. 20T minus 14T is 6T. 5U minus 4U is 1U. But in algebra, we don't use coefficient 1 in front of the letter, so the final answer is just U. 7y squared plus 3y squared, add coefficients, it will be 10y squared. Level 2. 4a plus 2a minus 9a. 6a minus 9a would be minus 3a. Minus m, which means minus 1m, minus 7m would be minus 8m. Next question. 2y minus 9y. 2 minus 9 is minus 7. So 2y minus 9y would be minus 7y. Right. Next question. The variable is y squared. We deal only with coefficients. Variable stays the same. 5y squared minus 7y squared would be minus 2y squared, because 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Second column. 4u minus 6u would be minus 2u. Next question. Minus 3g minus 2g would be minus 5g. 6a squared plus 2a squared minus a squared. The variable is the same, so they're like terms. Let's combine them. 6 plus 2 is 8, minus 9 will be minus 1. So the answer should be minus 1a squared, but in algebra, we don't write 1 in front of the variable. So the final answer is minus a squared. A, B add together 3 times. So the variable is the same, A, B. So it's like terms. Add them together and it will be 3AB. Now level 3, mixing different variables. 3a plus 2b plus 4a plus b. Group them. 3a plus 4a is 7a. 2b plus b, which is 1b, is 3b. So final answer is 7a plus 3b. One more question. 7m plus 7p plus 8m plus p plus 2p. M terms. Add them together. 15m. P terms. 10p. So final answer is 15m plus 10p. Next question. 2y plus 4 plus 3y minus 1. Y terms. 2y plus 3y will be 5y. Now numbers 4 minus 1 give me 3. So final answer is 5y plus 3. Next question. 3x plus 6y plus 5x minus 2y. First, x terms. 3x plus 5x give me 8x. Y terms. 6y minus 2y is 4y. So the answer is 8x plus 4y. One more question. 3a minus 2b plus a minus 5b. Final answer is 4a minus 7b. Next question. 7p minus 2q minus q plus 3r plus 4r. It will be 7p. Nothing can be done. We leave it as 7p. Minus 2q minus 1q give me minus 3q. Then r terms. 3r plus 4r is 7r. Second column. 7y plus 5y plus 2h plus 2h. 7y plus 5y is 12y. Now let's move to h terms. 2h plus 2h give me 4h. Next question. 9e plus 2 plus e plus 2. So 9e plus 1e is 10e. Now let's move to numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4. So final answer is 10e plus 4. 8 plus 3w minus w minus 3. Numbers first. 8 minus 3 is 5. Now let's deal with w terms. 3w minus 1w gives me 2w. So final answer is 5 plus 2w. One more question. 6m minus 2s plus 11s plus m. Let's do m terms first. 6m plus 1m, it is 7m. Now s terms. Minus 2 plus 11 is 9. So 9s. Final answer is 7m plus 9s. Next question. 2x minus 2y minus 6x plus 5y. So like terms for x are 2x minus 6x, which is minus 4x. Y terms. Minus 2y plus 5y is 3y. Last question for level 3. 11c minus 6c give me 5c. 8d minus 11d give me minus 3d. So final answer is 5c minus 3d. Level 4. 3y squared plus 4ab plus 7y squared plus ab. Y squared terms. 10y squared. ab terms. 5ab. So 10y squared plus 5ab. Next question. 9x squared minus 2x minus 11x squared plus 5x. X squared terms. Minus 2x squared. X terms plus 3x. Final answer is minus 2x squared plus 3x. Third question. 7ac minus 3ab plus 9ab minus 7ac. So 7ac minus ac gives me 0. I don't have to write it down. Now let's move to ab terms. Minus 3ab plus 9ab give me 6ab. That is final answer. Level 5. Now we expand first. 4 times brackets x minus 1 plus 2 times brackets x plus 3. When we expand, we get 4x minus 4 plus 2x plus 6. Combine like terms. The final answer is 6x plus 1. Next question. 5 times brackets 2x plus 3 plus 2 times brackets 3x plus 1. Expand and simplify. 10x plus 15 plus 6x plus 2. 10x plus 6x gives me 16x, and 15 plus 2 is 17. So final answer is 16x plus 17. Third question. 9 brackets t plus 3 plus 3 brackets 2t minus 11. First of all, we expand brackets. 9t plus 27 plus 6t minus 33. So after simplifying, final answer is 15t minus 6. Fourth question. 4 brackets x plus 2 minus 3 brackets x minus 2. That is tricky one, because again, we have two minuses. After expanding, 8x plus 16, second bracket, minus 3 times x give me minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 2, minus times minus gives me plus, so it will be plus 6. Simplify like terms. 8x minus 3x is 5x, and 16 plus 6 is 22. Final answer is 5x plus 22. Last question. Again, expand brackets. Don't forget about minuses. So first bracket is 15y plus 35. Second bracket is a bit trickier. So minus 3 times 2y gives me minus 6y. And attention, minus 3 times minus 5, two minuses give me plus. So it will be 15. Simplify. 15y minus 6y is 9y. And 35 plus 15 is 50. Done. Level 6. We are finding the perimeter. Add all sides. 2x minus 3 plus 2x plus 4 plus 6 plus 3x. Then simplify. Combine x terms. 2x plus 3x give me 7x. Minus 3 plus 4 plus 6 is plus 7. So that is the final answer. Pay attention. If they give centimeters perimeter, their final answer also should be given with centimeters. In our case, we were not given, so we just write 7x plus 7. Then, most common mistake. Remember, we add coefficients, not variables. So most common mistake, students add powers, not coefficients. So the right answer would be 1x squared plus 1x squared is 2x squared. Next, you cannot combine terms with which have the same letter but different powers. So you cannot add 3x and 2x squared. So nothing can be done in this case. So 5x squared is the wrong answer. Next, 5u minus 4u, and students just put 1. No, it's u. 1u, but we don't write 1. So the final answer is u. Next common mistake. 2m plus m is 3m. That's right. Plus 3 minus 3 is 0. But you're not writing it down. The final answer is just 3m. So the rule never changes. Only combine terms that match exactly. If the letters or powers are different, leave them. That's it for collecting like terms. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are topics you are struggling with, please write in comments and wait for new videos.